a manner that they will fit in universally in the globe. I also want to celebrate my Jubilee fellow members of parliament for agreeing with me that we should engage government as a parliamentary group, and we engage the president and support the programs of the government which are positive and are going to impact positively on our country. And it is on that note I want to plead with every elected leader. The first responsibility of any leader is to listen. If we get to a situation where we are not listening to each other, then we are courting trouble, we are courting death, and I want to plead that negotiation between leaders is not a choice. It is a requirement because our country is bigger than anybody, and we have been elected to lead because we are capable of providing solutions. And solutions can only be obtained through engagement, through negotiation. I, Stephen Mogaka, MP for West Mogrango, have led by example by engaging and including those who did not vote me in as part of my government in the constituency. We do not want to have a country where anybody is victimized because of their exercise of their freedom of choice. We may not like the elected leaders, but they are the elected leaders. And our duty as elected leaders from the presidency to MCA is to listen. We may not agree with everything we hear, but we have a duty to listen. And I want to urge the government and the government zealots to tone down the thumb chesting that there is nothing to discuss about. There are very many things in this country to discuss about. And I want to implore the president of the day, that we do not want him to be coerced to concede anything. But as a nation, we expect of him to listen. He has to listen to all citizens, those who agree with him and those who do not. Because it is through listening that we can chart out a course for Kenya. Nara yingote banga Stephen Mogaka West Mogaka.